بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will carry on with our English language lessons for the second year. My name is teacher Inas Al-Hadathi. So as you can see, today we will have our last lesson of our curriculum. Today we will have the second part of the last lesson of the last unit. The name of the unit is called My Body. That's the last lesson, lesson number 4, and this is the second part. So we decided, because it has so many information, to have it into two parts. This will be the second and the last part of lesson number 4. So let's start. Bismillah. Let's start by revising what we have learned in the previous lesson. In the previous lesson, we asked the question, we practiced asking where is or where are. Where is the cat? Where's the dog? Where's the rabbit? Where's the book? And in order to give an answer, a correct answer, we must use preposition of place. Where's the book here? It is under the desk. Where's the cat? The cat is behind the box. Okay? So we must use prepositions of place correctly. Now, this is the cover of Unit 4, My Body. Here I have the names of different body parts. In order to revise that, I highly advise you to go to lesson number 1 and number 2 to revise the body parts and the facial parts. Okay? By the end of the lesson, inshallah, we will practice using phonics correctly. Here I have double O and GH. Okay? If we combine the two letters together, we end up with what? Also use prepositions of place, and we will be doing tons of exercises. Actually, for this lesson, we will practice reading and listening more. Now, let's start with this one. As you can see, the boy here is holding different cards that has different letters. These letters make up together, they form a word. Actually, they form words. Here I have a W, O, R, D, S. When I put them in this order, I end up with words. Let's try to do this here. Spell it out. Here I have 1, 2, 3. I have 4 letters, right? I have letter R, U, O, and F. Now, I need you to help me to form a good word here, a word that will describe the picture. Here I have number 4. Very good. Here I have number 4. I use these letters to form a correct word. Here I have the word for. The word is for. Very good. Let's have another one. Here I have L, I, R, G. Let's try to spell it out. I have a picture of what? Here I have a picture of a girl. Very good. Here I have a girl. G-I-R-L. A girl. I have a girl. Now how about this one? Spell it out. I gave you a picture here to help you. I have K-O-S-O-N-B. Let's try to spell it out. The word here is box. Very good. The word here is box. B-O-O-K-S. Box. Excellent. Now, let's try to revise letters. I know we've covered them in the first and the second semester, but let's try to differentiate. In order to start with our lesson, we need to have the two types of the English alphabets. With the red one, I have the vowels. The letters in red are the vowels. How many vowels we have? We have 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. Now, try to think of words that has these letters. Apple, orange, egg, banana, girl, school. Very good. So these words include these vowels. So how many vowels? We have 5 vowels. With the blue one, I have the remaining letters. The remaining letters are called consonants. They are consonants. For example, B, C, D, F, and so on. So have two types of letters, vowels and consonants. Okay, now let's try to complete these words with the correct letter. Above here I have A, B, C. I have one vowel and two consonants. A is a vowel, B and C are consonants. Okay, now I need you to complete these words with the suitable letter to form a word. For example, the first picture here I have is, which letter I need to put here? The letter is C. So the word is car. The word is car. How about the next one? What do you think? I have a cab. Again, a consonant, cab. Next, what do you think? You know this one. I have the word ant. So we fill it here with a vowel A, ant. Let's go to the next row. I have a picture of a cup, C. Next, I have a picture of a bag, B. Next, I have a picture of a ball, B. Next, I have a picture of an arrow, A, a vowel, book, B, consonant, and the last picture I have a cat, C, consonant. Okay, now we will start with something that's called phonics. Now we will start producing sounds, different kind of sounds. What do I mean by phonics? For example, I need you to look at these two letters together. Okay, here I have a P and I have an H, right? P and H. When we form them together, they produce a different sound. The sound, if you can pronounce the word here, I have a picture of what? I have a picture of a phone. So if I have P with H, the phone. The sound here is f. Okay? So phone. Now, so again, here I have P with H. They comes together. I have the word phone. The word is phone. Now, let's have different kinds of phonics here. P with H, phone. Nephew. Phonics. Sphere. Phantom. Physics. Pharmacy. Orphan. Graph. Dolphin. Morphine. Telephone. Dictaphone. Microphone. Okay, so as you notice, we pronounce P with H as phone, phonics, nephew, and so on. So that is the first sound we have today. P with H is f. Okay, how about these two letters together? C and H. C and H are pronounced as ch. Okay? Peach. Peach. Let's have different examples. C with H is ch. Okay. Peach. Chair. Cheese. Bench. Children. Chocolate. Chicken. Teach. Chop. Lunch. Chimney. Check. Cheetah. Cherry. As you can see, we didn't pronounce as C and H. We have a different sound, ch. Children, ch. Teach, ch. Chair, and so on. So here I have a different sound. So far we have ch and we have f. Okay, now let's have another one. Here I have the one that we're supposed to have today. I have G with H. Now these two letters are very special because we end up having three different sounds. For example, I have G with H that sounds like an F. Okay? Let me read the words for you. Laugh, cough, tough, laughter, enough, rough, through, trough. Okay? So if I have the two letters together, G and H, I will end up with the sound fa, fa, fa. Okay? Let's read them again. Laugh, cough, tough, laughter, enough, rough. Okay? Now remember, G and H, I will have this sound F. Now here, if I have the G and H in these words, the sound is silent. As you can see, shh, we don't say anything. For example, though, bright, light, fight. It's as if I'm not pronouncing these two letters. They are silent. Way, high, eight. Okay? I'm not pronouncing any of the letters. Okay? Not as the one I had before. They came up as fa, cough, laugh. But here they are silent. So the G and H here are silent. Let's read them one more time. Thought, bright, light, fight, though, way, high, and eight. Okay, so the G and H here are not pronounced, they are silent. Okay, so, and the last one, or the last situation, G and H are pronounced as letter J. J. Okay, Afghan, ghost, girl, ghetto, Ghana, aghast, spaghetti, and crane. So, as you can see, G and H have three different situations. They could be a ja or a ga, could be silent, and they could sound like the letter F, as in cough, as a laugh, as an enough. Okay, so with G and H, I have three different situations. Now, let's also carry on with the double O as a long O and a short O. Here I will have two O's, double O. But will they be sounds the same? Let's see. Here I have long O and I have short O. What do I mean by long O? Now, listen to the two sounds here I'm making. Boot. Ooh. So it's long. Boot. While for the second one, I also have two O's, but they are not as long. Books. Boot. Book. So here I have two different sounds, long O and short O. Long O and short O. Boot. Book. Now let's have more examples with the long O. With the long O here, as in boot, we might have tooth. Double O, tooth. So they are long O. How about the short O now? If I have short O, as in book, let's have more example. Here I have ba, double O, and I have book. Book. Okay, now, does it sound as in boot or tooth? No, actually they sounded shorter. So here I have short O. Let's practice. Book, crook, cook, and hook. Even though that I have two O's here, but this sound is short. That's why we call them short O's. So here I have hook, cook, book, and crook. Okay? Now, Here, let's try to fill in this and then let's read the words. Let's try to add double O. Book, cook. What about this, the third one? What do you think the word is? Foot, clock, and hook. So I have double O and they sound short O's. Book, cook, foot, clock, and hook. And hook. Very good. Now, circle the long O's. Now, I need you to focus, listen to me, and then decide which words have the long O's and which ones have the short one. We need to circle the long O's. Foot. So do you think it's long? It's not. How about spoon? Spoon. Very good. So spoon has a long O. Boot. Again, this is also long. Wood. Do I need to circle this? No, it's short. Cook. It's also short. Tools. And this is long. Tools, as in spoon. So tools is also long. Blood. Do I need to circle this? No, it's short. School. School is also long. And broom. Broom is also long. So let's read the long O's together. Spoon, boot, tools, school, and broom. While the other words have the short sound. Blood, wood, cook, and foot. Very good. Now, I need you to open your books at page 53. Page 53, we will be focusing on the upper part. So I'll be zooming on the upper part, then we will be zooming to the lower part. For the upper part, as you can see, read aloud. Here I have the double O, but they could be short O's or they could be long O. Tooth, long. Moon, spoon, toothpick. Let's read them one more time. Tooth, moon, spoon, and toothpick. So let's add this one here. They are long O's. Okay, I have the long sound here. Okay, practice reading them again after the end of this lesson. Remember, boot, school, and broom. Okay, now moving to the lower part, as you can see to your left, here I have the short sound, the short O. Book, good, foot. Okay, so here I have short O. I have the short one. Book, good, and foot. Now, for the other part, here I have the two letters G and H. And we introduced that with these two letters, I might have three different sounds. Could be F, could be G, could be nothing. No sounds, silent. Here I have F, G, D and H as an F, as in the word laugh. Okay, as in laugh, as in cough. While the second one, I'm not pronouncing the D and H. For example, here I have the word right. So I did not mention or I did not pronounce the two letters. Right, fight, okay, tight. So all these are considered to be silent letters. So here I have short O and I have G and H. They could be F, they could be G, and they could have a silent sound. Okay? Now, let's try to revise what we have learned in this lesson. Mainly, we practice using phonics. We started with the vowels and with the consonants, Okay, and then we introduce different kind of phonics. For example, P with H, I will have the sound fa, as in phone, as in phonics, as in sphere. Okay, also we introduce having long O's and short O's, like the word broom, school, and book. Good. Also we introduce G with H together. We said that it could be an F or a G or no sound at all. So that was my lesson, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.